This is a super cute and comfy lacy nightgown I was sent a review from Ekouaer. It's hard to tell from the product page, but this is not a silky material. It's more like a really soft t-shirt kind of material. It's made of modal, which is like honestly one of my favorite softest fabrics. This is the black flower pattern, which is just absolutely gorgeous. You've got lace on the bottom as well as the V-neck. These are the straps, nice and thick. Yeah, I love it. There's no waist. There's no metal. These are not adjustable. This is the medium, which is my normal size. True to size. I love it. I'm 5'8". This is where it hits me. It's easy care too. Just throw it in the washer dryer. Might want to put it in a garment bag just because of the lace to protect that. There is no built-in bra or shelf or anything. It's just really cozy and like roomy and just really, really nice. A super cute way to elevate your nightgown or pajama experience without being in something that's like too much or over the top or uncomfortable. Super comfy, but also really cute and nice for your partner to enjoy as well.